Hi. So it's currently 10 minutes past 11 at night. As we can see, it's dark outside. It's 10 past 11. So it's probably going to be after midnight by the time I'm done with this video. I'm bored, okay? I've had 2 coffees today. I had one pretty late and now I can't sleep. I've been baking recently. Well, no, actually I always bake. I love baking. I don't know why, but banana bread has just become a big thing again. I don't know why. I just feel like everyone on Instagram and everywhere at the moment is making banana bread. I actually made some the other day. It's amazing. Like, it's so good. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. We're just gonna make some banana bread at freaking midnight, basically. So yeah, if you just want to make some banana bread with me at night and have a great time, then subscribe. You know, if you want, give the video a thumbs up as well, that'd be great. And we're just gonna make some banana bread. So I don't know where I got this recipe from. I don't know if I got it, I have it in a book, you know, like an old school bitch. So like, I don't know where I got this from. It's just written down. I feel like I kind of made it up and just, I don't know, but I will tell you everything I'm doing, what you need. So when I like to bake, or like when I make anything, to be fair, you know, I'm like a health queen. So I'm making like healthy banana bread, but oh my god, like this is so good. Like I feel like sugar and shit that people put in is just so unnecessary, because the only thing that's got sugar in, I think, or like the only sugary thing I'm really using is like agave, and that's like natural, right? And then chocolate chips have like a bit of sugar. I don't know, you mainly get the sweetness from the bananas, so it's all good. So first thing you're gonna need, choc bananas. My recipe does say 4 bananas, but these are quite small, so we're gonna go with 5. You also need a bowl if that isn't obvious, a sweetener of some sort if you want to use. You're gonna need chocolate chips. These are dark chocolate chips, gluten-free and vegan. So coconut oil, some flour of some sort. I use almond flour. You can use oat flour, which is just blended oats. I've never actually done that, and I don't want to do that now because I don't want to use the blender, and it's also midnight, so I will wake up my sister. So we're gonna use almond flour because I've got it like this. Vanilla extract, because I don't know what that does. Honestly, I'm not a baking expert. I don't know. I was shit at like baking stuff in school, so I don't actually know what vanilla does. I don't know if it's a sweetener. I honestly don't know. You're gonna need some baking powder and some baking soda as well. I think that's everything. And your measuring cups, of course. Let's do the bananas. I don't know why I get so grossed out with bananas, honestly. Like, I don't like bananas. Like, I could not just, like, the smell is literally making me feel sick. I could not peel a banana and just eat it. I don't like bananas. It's really weird, but I will eat them baked in things as long as I can't taste the banana. Like banana cookies that I like making, banana and oat cookies, love them. Banana bread, love it. Just bananas? No. Bananas in smoothie? No, disgusting, because I can taste the banana. It's the same with like chickpea, like hummus. No, like can't stand it, fucking hate it. Texture, no, can't deal with it. Chickpeas, love them. You have your bananas in your bowl, mash them up with a fork. Honestly, I'd love to know what the thing about banana bread is right now. I don't know if maybe one person just started making it and everyone just felt like craving it, because to be fair, I fell into that. I just saw someone post a picture or something on Instagram and I was like, oh my god, I haven't made banana bread in so long. And then I made one. I think I literally talked about it in literally my last video, because I was making it in my last video and it tasted absolute fire. Haven't made it in so long as well. There we go, great. Okay, I don't know if there's supposed to be an order that you put the stuff in. I don't know if you're supposed to do
your wet ingredients and your dry ingredients and then mix them together slowly.
I don't know, I just do whatever I want. Vanilla, I just pour. This is how I bake. I don't measure things, actually I do, but I don't listen to the measurements. I just kind of, I've just used up the rest of the bottle. So you just put a splash of vanilla, as they say. This is probably not the right way. You know what, I don't actually care. Is there any actually correct way? Actually, there probably is. There's probably like, you know, the science behind baking and shit. I don't know. It sounds kind of gross. And I just usually put the almond flour in. 1 cup and 3/4 cups. I do 1 and then I just kind of do like a hot, I don't even know. You know. Ah! That went everywhere. I know you're supposed to like spoon it in. I don't even do that. I don't do anything correctly, so pop that in there. That's 1 cup. So then it says 3/4 as well. I kind of like having this like time right now. Oh, I'm also self-isolating now. I wasn't before. I feel like in my past few videos, because like I'd filmed them like earlier in the week, I was still at work and stuff. I now have to self-isolate for 14 days. And you know what? Not really mad at it, because I don't like leaving my house. I have to go to work. Now I have to self-isolate. So this is what it comes to when you're self-isolating and you drink too much coffee in the day and then have a dance party in your bed with your headphones on because you don't want to wake up your sister. And then it's like 11 PM and you decide to bake. Then you need 1/3 cup of your sweetener. I usually use a bit less. I don't really use that much. I use agave, like I said. You can use maple syrup, sugar, I guess, just whatever you want. Mix that in. This is probably just not entertaining, the fact that you're just watching me stir the bowl and you can't actually see what's in the bowl. To be fair, it looks kind of gross, so I'm actually doing you a favor. You can just look at me looking like an absolute sack of shit. So, okay, so you need baking powder and baking soda. You need 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Again, I usually use less, so I'm probably just gonna do 1/2, I believe. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, so I'll just use literally less. I feel like this is why my baking and cooking always turns out different every time, because I don't do the same measurements as you've seen. Okay, then you have that. And 1/2 cup of whatever you want to put in. Honestly, what else do people put in banana bread apart from chocolate chips? Can't imagine anything else being in banana bread. Why did I do that? Get your coconut oil. And I am so lazy that I literally will just... Again, I don't know if this is the most accurate way of doing this. I'll spoon it out into the cup and then I'll just microwave it. Because this is probably not the like correct measurement of it. I don't fucking know. Got my pan. It's a very small one, but it's fine. It's cute. She's gonna go in there now. She's going in. She is going in. She's in.
Probably should have been wearing open gloves.
I might go take a nap for an hour. Can we not? Honestly. She's ready though. She looks absolutely great. I think it's done. I mean, I put a cocktail stick in. It's fine. But, I mean, it's ready.
She's looking good. Look at that. Look at that tan. She looks great. Okay, I'm gonna let it cool before... I should probably let it cool. I'm gonna have to let it cool before... Hey, I'm gonna have to try a bit. I mean, come on. I mean, it's like 1 AM, but I'm still gonna try a bit.
She's ready. She's nice and toasty. I don't know why I keep saying she. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. Let me try it. Oh my gosh. I could eat this entire thing. Okay, we have a minute. And it's literally 1 AM. But this was so good. This is so good. I'm gonna go to bed. Okay, that's the end of the video, so I hope you enjoyed it. Make the banana bread. I will leave the recipe of roughly what I used in the description box if you want to make this absolute amazing banana bread, because oh my god, it tastes fucking great. It's so good. Okay, thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to. If you don't, I do get it, don't worry. Make some banana bread and let me know if you make it. Okay, thank you again for watching. I honestly need to go to sleep. Bye!